sort of way. Never loved so much that it pains when I'm with you and when you're away. My thoughts are so incomplete. I can't put my finger on this feeling. I wanna call it love, but I'm not convinced that is all it is. I know someday I'll have to say goodbye. I'm losing time. All the moments that I get to share with you. As I watch you slip between a momentary consciousness and somewhere in your dreams, I feel the weight of a moment.